Hi, sorry I don't have any makeup on. I didn't feel like putting any on, so I don't have any on. This is just a video of me cooking. I'm cooking a Skinnytaste recipe, which I will link below. I really like Skinnytaste. I've lost like 90 pounds, through switching to Skinnytaste and exercising, running, things like that every day. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a video of me cooking sped up again. And I did put in here folding a fitted sheet at the end. So let me know if you want me to like make a full video of just folding the fitted sheet. And so I have a better angle. I can have like my boyfriend film it. So yeah, thanks. I decided to put this in slow motion because I think that my hair looked really good, and I did not realize how often I do that hair flip thing through the whole video. You'll see me do it a couple of times. Always wash your hands before you cook. Wash them really, really well. Here I am getting out things that I know the recipe needs. I think tomato, pepper, potato. And it took a while for the recipe to load up on my Kindle, so you'll see me like going through and clicking on stuff and then waiting for it to load. So sorry, that part is like slightly boring. So my hair is insanely long. I need to get it cut. Turn the pan on. Oh no, wait, I didn't turn the pan on. I just put it on the stove. It's like, well, I know I need to cook it. Zucchini, I think, is in there. Yep. I recycle all of my plastic bags. I take them to my grocery store, and they have a place where you can recycle them there. Onion and shallot. I think the recipe originally said to go with garlic, but I didn't have garlic at the moment, so I used shallot. Rinsing off the peppers, taking the stickers off. And I get some oil. I can't remember. I think I used canola oil, yeah. And turn the stove on. I think I put it on medium-low. I am not used to cooking with my gas stove. I'm chopping. I do this very slow with this global knife. I mentioned before I'm afraid of this knife. It's just so sharp. What did I go and put in there? Oh, potato. And I put garlic powder, pepper, salt. Cover it. It says to shake it so it doesn't burn. That knife is so sharp. Oh my god. I do really like it though. It makes things go a lot smoother. And I do, at the end of the day, feel like I'm less likely to cut myself because it's so sharp. I'm realizing that you can't see me cutting at this moment. And I think I move. Yep. Showing how I cut peppers. So I core it. And then I cut the butt off. Shake the seeds out. Shake the potatoes. Shake, shake, shake. Slice, slice, slice. Half. And then I cut it once and unroll the pepper and then chop it that way and then cut it in half again. And do it again with the yellow one. I think I was only using half of the yellow one. Onion. I had a half an onion already in the fridge, so I used that one up first. I am thinking about planting some garlic here in the next couple of days. I think the best time to do it is going to be maybe Wednesday this week, which is the 14th of October. So I have a tiny little yard. I'll plant some garlic out there. I'm taking the potatoes out. They have very nice golden color, which I'll show you again in a second. This is sausage from my parents' farm, from my parents' pigs. They gave me like a whole pig in the basement. So, well, I mean, in my freezer. I just have a pig living in the basement. Those are the potatoes. That's the cooked sausage. Put the vegetables in. I think I just put the peppers in. Yeah. Stir, stir, stir. I'll show you how colorful it is. Look at that. Beautiful. I think the original recipe said to use chicken sausage, which I don't have that. I have pork sausage, so. Salt, pepper. I think that the hot sausage wasn't hot enough. Oh, I put rosemary in. And then I decided that it needed to be hotter. So I go and I put red pepper flakes in. Onion and shallot first. There's a shallot. I didn't chop it very well, so I had to break it up. Stir, stir, stir. I think I'm going to show you. Yep. So colorful. Red pepper flakes. Lots. Lots, lots, lots. Shake, shake, shake. Zucchini, which I have salted. I didn't show me salting it. So colorful. I think I put the lid back on. Oh, potatoes in, and then I put the lid back on. Now the lid goes on. So this is going to be me folding a fitted sheet. Actually, I think I fold all my sheets here for this set. I'm going to do this in regular time. So first what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's all turned right side out and find the long side of the sheet. I have king size sheets, so this is kind of difficult because it's almost a square, so it takes me a minute. Stick your hands in the corners. Oh, I was like, yep, that was the wrong one. Stick your hands in the corners and then flip it inside out, just like that. Now stick your hands back in the corners, turn around, put one corner onto the other corner. Just do the same thing with the other two corners. Gets a little messy if you have a king size sheet. Again, if you want me to do this again, I can do it with like a twin, and then do it one more time. Put all the corners together over your hand. Now you've got a nice square to work with. Lay it flat, and there's going to be a side that is like less neat. You want to fold the less neat side in, and then fold it 1, 2 more times. Pull it out, fold into thirds. There you go. I fold the flat sheet as well, in a way that, oh, there's my kitty. Her name is Lana. In a way that it fits over it fits evenly in the stack with the fitted sheet. And I think my boyfriend is asking me if I'm just filming my whole life now. And I said yes. So long side, fold in half. Look how happy I am. It always makes me smile. Fold in half again. you want to turn it and fold it in half. You're not folding it in half the same way, the same direction. I don't iron my sheets. I know that there's like a considerable amount of people who do, but it just seems like extra work for something that nobody else is going to see but me. I don't really see that much of a benefit in doing it. And I fold it again in half, I think. Or no. Yeah, here I am trying to think it out. I lay it flat and then I, fold it in half, and then I fold the shorter edges into the center and then fold that in half. There we go. And then into thirds. Now the pillowcase. Turn it right side out, of course. And then I fold the long ends into the center and then fold it into thirds. And then this is my pillowcase. I used the satiny one for my hair. Same thing. Fold into center, fold into thirds. I hope I show you that it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of stuff like this from me, you can click subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment. Thanks. Bye.